Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another Throwback Thursday. Throwback Thursday is where we use older palettes that don't get a ton of attention anymore. We bring them back out of our collections and use them again because, you know, we bought the damn thing. Let's do it. You guys so highly requested this. I feel like it was almost like unanimous. Like everyone was saying the Jackie Aina palette. So that's what we're going to be using today. I mean, and it's no surprise because look at this beauty. One of the best collab palettes in my opinion of all time. I love these colors. I love these colors. So let's get to it, shall we? I feel like my foundation shade is way too light today. I look a little ghostly. Let's first go into the shade Ginger. I love how, for the most part, minus a few of the shimmers, all of the colors in this palette are very rich, medium to deep, and I love that. I love color. I feel like a lot of times brand collabs, like, you know, and I understand why a lot of influencers would say almost play it a little more safe, and I get that because they want it to sell and they want it to be something people will actually use, but I feel like Jackie just went for it. She had to. I think she picked just again, like I said, it's one of the best collabs of all time in my opinion. And we're gonna run this through the crease as our transition. This is the Sigma Tapered Blending E35 brush, in case you're wondering. I love how you can have this be really bold or you can blend it out really softly. So I'm kind of doing both. We blended it out nice and I want to pack a little bit more into the crease there, just like so. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so sorry, you guys. I realized I was not zoomed in for the first little part. My apologies for that. Moving on, let's pop into Credit. You know I couldn't avoid this baby here. And pop that into our outer V. Really smoky up that outer corner. You guys, if you have this palette, bust it out. This palette has so many beautiful colors and tones for this season. I mean, greens, reds, burgundies, purples. It has everything you could need for a holiday look or whatever you're going for. It just, it fits the mood, you know? So I'm just really building that up out there. I kind of like to pack it on and then go forth and blend. It's so pretty. Look at those colors. And while we're at it, I want to take Ginger underneath my eye as well. Right down here, all the way to the inner corner there. How did you guys like past Sunday's video? I started a new video series. It's like a self-care Sunday situation where there's no makeup. We just kind of go through my nightly skincare routine. We're going to be changing it up every week. It's really a way for me to try out different skincare because from day to day, I really don't try out different things. My skin's super sensitive to, like, you know, product change. So I thought Sundays would be really fun to test out any skincare I have. But also it's like an internal, a mental self-care as well, because we're going to be discussing different topics. Last Sundays was all about kind of self-forgiveness and something I was going through, something where I thought I had done wrong to somebody unintentionally, and just kind of going over that whole situation. I will say though, you guys, your feedback on that video was phenomenal. Phenomenal. You really made me feel better because I was really going through it. I was really feeling bad. So definitely go check out that video if you haven't to kind of get a grasp of what I'm saying. But your comments really made me feel a lot better. I really thought I was just the worst person for a little while, but you really helped. And I will say, just a little follow-up, I did finally get a message back from this person who I thought that I had wronged, and they were nice to say it wasn't my fault. The message was still a little weird. It's definitely left off pretty cold, so it is what it is. But I wanted to thank you guys because that really helped me. Oh, I didn't even tell you. Now we're going into Credit and just using that on the outer half there. Next, we're going to do some cut creasing. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and my Sigma Cut Crease E62 brush. The best brush for cut creasing. Let's get going. How are you guys doing on your holiday shopping? I feel so lucky that, first of all, quarantine. So we're not really doing much for the holiday season this year. Not that I don't love buying gifts, but it's also kind of nice to not have to buy gifts. But for my mom and my dad, we just do like a secret Santa thing. So that's nice. I do like in my family, we don't have any children in my family anymore. I think the youngest is 21. So we really don't do a lot of like crazy Christmas Santa style gifts anymore, which is really nice because since my parents' divorce and them, you know, finding others, that sounded weird. But like, you know, having step families and such, like our family did kind of explode and all these, you know, new people are here. And so the first few years of that, when we were still trying to figure it out, Christmas was like getting so crazy expensive. I mean, it's expensive regardless, depending on, you know, whatever. But it's really, really nice that I feel like we're finally all pretty grown up, and it's nice for my parents too. They don't have to buy, you know, 5 kids Christmas presents, and then you add a Loke, you know, Can't forget a loaf. And so now we all just draw from a hat and kind of go from there. And it's been so nice. It's been really nice. Now I want to go into lituation. I don't think I've ever used this shadow before. I hope I'm not mistaken. I wanted to steer clear of what I would normally be drawn to, like the reds and things, and go for something a little out of my personal comfort zone. And I don't think oh, this is so pretty. I don't think I use many shades like this. And this is a very unique color too. Very, very pretty. Oh my God. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Okay, let's do the other eye. Next, I want to tightline. We're going to take the Makeup by Mario eyeliner. Oh, it's not a twisty. I hate sharpenies. And I'm going to tightline here and then smudge it out with my finger. You guys, really fun thing. I have set up an email exclusively for you guys to email me in the bottom box down below. It will be listed there, not that girl ShayXO Gmail, directly below in my info bar. And the reason why I've created this is because I want to hear some of your craziest family holiday stories pertaining to around this holiday time, December. You know, you always hear these absolutely crazy holiday stories, things happening at the family holiday party, whether it's, you know, good, juicy drama or just something hilarious or something just total WTF. I want to hear your crazy family holiday, and I will pick my favorites to be featured in a holiday story video. The reason why I've set up the email is because sometimes, you know, you can't go too long in the comments. Also, I don't want anyone to hear your crazy story until I tell it for you. And you can be specific in your email and say change names, anything like that. Leave my name out of it. But if you want to share your crazy holiday story, please, please send them in. I was reading some online last night, just like this little article that was posted on Facebook. And I was like, oh my gosh, everybody has these crazy holiday stories. And I'm still trying to think of mine. I know I have to have one because I have a crazy family back home. So I'm trying to think about it, but please submit your crazy holiday stories, you guys. I am so excited to read them. I want it. I need it, okay? I think we need a wing for this, don't we? I'm going to use the Ciate London Fierce Flicks liquid eyeliner. I feel like I saw that this had bad reviews on Sephora.com, or I think it's only like, if something's not like 5 stars or 4.5 stars, I'm like, ooh, people didn't like that. I don't know why, but I don't think this had a ton of stars. And I was like, oh, I really like it, so I'm really surprised. Wow, I just majorly effed up this wing because I was thinking of the fact that I'm out of gravy mix and I needed that for dinner tonight. It's okay. So this wing is a little bit more intense than I wanted. I just liquid linered my eyebrow. What is happening to me today? I am a mess. Oh, hopefully you can't tell. I don't think you can tell, but I definitely just, you can kind of see it right there. I like flicked liquid liner through my eyebrow. Oh, these wings are depressing. They're way more intense than I wanted. There's like nothing worse than a bad wing. Is there? Maybe a bad foundation line, but a bad wing is pretty bad. All right, so I'm going to mascara up and, oh, I hate false lashes. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna mascara up and throw in some false lashes. These are the Huda Beauty Jacqueline. Ah, my friend Jackie. What up, Jackie? Well, not Jackie, Aina, my other friend. Hey, Jax, how are ya? She should buy these lashes. Well, she already has really long lashes. She doesn't really need them. Anyway, I'm gonna throw on my mascara and my falsies and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. These are very cute. I try not to wear many expensive lashes. The only expensive lashes I have, such as the Huda Beauties, were sent to me in PR because I'm so damn cheap. I can't bring myself to buy them. But I figured this is the Jackie Aina palette and I worship her. She is my queen. I am a total Jackie Aina stan. So like, let's break out the big bucks, right? That's why I'm also gonna be using my Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow palette. Also something I did not pay for. This was sent to me in PR because I recently bought the Charlotte Tilbury under eye corrector and I love it. I love it so much that I hate myself because I can't imagine how often I can repurchase that. So I'm trying to only use it on like super special occasions, which there's none of right now. So maybe I should just start using it. And I am so pale with this dark hair now, aren't I? Ghostly. I also haven't self-tanned in like 6 months because what's the freaking point? But I might very soon, like maybe tonight, because I'm not feeling my best. I feel like a zombie woman. I feel dead. So yeah, I'm really excited to read your guys' holiday stories. It doesn't even have to be like, whatever. If you have a crazy story from around the holiday times, and it can be funny, it can be drama, nothing too heavy, because I do want this a somewhat cheery, like, what the hell type of video. Send it in. Send it in. Don't question yourself. Send it in. And again, let me know if you'd prefer your name or not to be in it, or if you want names changed, or you can just go ahead and change the names, whatever. But you always always hear those crazy holiday stories, and I want to hear yours. I think it'll be so fun. So I'm gonna read through those. I hope I get any. I'm scared none will come in. I'm also gonna take the Fenty Beauty Private Island bronzer. Really like this guy too. I think this will give me some more color. I just used this in the one dip challenge. I don't know what it is. If this happens to all YouTubers, anytime I do a makeup challenge video, it gets an insane amount of hate comments and thumbs downs. I don't know if people take them very seriously, and if they think I did it wrong, they get really mad. I don't know, but like within the first like 2 hours of that video, I had like 20 dislikes, and I was like, holy shit, that's more dislikes than I get on some of my like biggest videos ever. I was like, damn, I really did something that pissed people off in this video. I don't know what it was, but people were not happy with me. So I apologize if that was a really disappointing video for you guys. I really don't know what I did so wrong, and I feel bad. It could have been James Charles' stance because I said I thought he cheated a little bit. Who knows? Who cares? It took me so long to realize whether it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down, it's engagement and it helps regardless. I had a conversation with a YouTube manager at one point. I go like this because I got assigned this person who's supposed to be my YouTube manager. And like, she couldn't give less of an F about me, which is understandable. I'm not a big channel over here, but it's like, why even assign me a YouTube manager? I didn't ask for it. So then when I try to use her, I like can't get a hold of her. Anyway, I had a discussion with her one time about likes versus dislikes. And I'm like, man, there's so many dislikes on this video. I'm upset, blah, blah. And she was like, doesn't matter. She was like, it doesn't matter. She was like, it's important because it lets you know if viewers enjoyed it or not. And clearly a lot of people didn't. So that helps you to hone in on things to avoid. She was like, but on our side, like whether it's 1,000 likes or 1,000 dislikes, we love it all the same. It's engagement. So she was like, it doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. And I was like, oh, okay. Because here I am like crying to myself every night because I got so many dislikes on a video and it doesn't fucking matter. I feel so much better with bronzer. Oh my God. We need blush. This looks pretty. I wonder if it'll show up a whole lot. Another Ciate London. This is the Marbled Light blush in the shade Halo. Wondering if it's going to be too light. We'll see. Oh no, I think it'll actually be nice. Oh, she's pretty. Dang, I got too much on my brush because I thought I would need more than I actually did. And I don't love a blush that has sheen, but this one I really like. It's a friendly sheen. It's not too like sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. It looks just glowy. Let's get a little frostbitten nose action going here. Everyone's asking me to post my Animal Crossing tour video. How would I do this? Is this something I'm gonna need more equipment for? Let me know. I'm an avid Animal Crosser. I remember when it first came out, I was so excited because I felt like every creator was playing and it was so much fun. And then like a month later, people are like, I'm over it. And I'm like, no, this is my life now. It's honest to God the main reason my insomnia has returned and I've gotten bad at sleeping. It's because I can't get off of Animal Crossing. I can't do it. I can't get off it. It's a problem for me. I'll deal with that when I'm ready. I'm not ready yet. Right now I'm enjoying this addiction. Next we're gonna use this Aether Beauty highlighter. I don't use this enough and I did buy this and I really like it. I especially love this band that holds it together. I'm like, that is genius. Why have I never seen that before? So smart. Let's get a real glow going. What else did I want to talk to you guys about? There was a reason why, oh, right. People have been asking me to do an Animal Crossing tour video, and I don't know how I would record that and upload that. I should just Google it. I don't know why I'm being lazy and asking you guys to tell me. I think I do need some type of equipment, right, to record it. Little down here. Okay, let's spritz the face. My Milk Hydro spray, my favorite, you guys know. I don't know if I'll ever use another spray. I love this so much and I'm going through it. Again, this is the travel size and I'm dumb and I thought it was full size and it's not. Shame mistake. That is a me problem, not a you problem. I love this eye makeup. I rarely do colors like this and I love it. I feel real minxy, okay? For lip liner, I'm gonna do ColourPop BFF2. Such a good nude lip liner. It's not too light, not too dark. Do you remember when it was such a scandal on whether or not Kylie had lip injections and like now look at her? And I'm not shaming, I'm saying like, I remember everyone was like, why are her lips so big and beautiful? Like it was the talk of the town. And then she said in that one interview that she uses like 3 or 4 lip liners, like, and we were like, and then on the lips, I'm going to use something I've not used in years. And this used to be my jam. And I just got a new one. I had placed a MAC order of this lipstick set I really wanted. And then I was like, you know what? I haven't had a Velvet Teddy in forever. So this is just the... someone's breaking in, but they're not. Okay. This is the classic MAC Cosmetics Velvet Teddy lipstick. This is, she's a beauty. This is the Fenty Beauty Fussy Lip Gloss. Best lip gloss ever. And that is it for this week's Throwback Thursday tutorial, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to let me know what you want to see for next week's Throwback Thursday. Leave your palette request in the comments down below. I'll see if I have it, and if I do, we'll definitely use it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to also send me in your holiday stories at my given email down below. Not my PR email, but I'll have a specific email just for you guys. Send me in your craziest stories. I just love crazy family holiday stories. It feels so good. And with COVID going on and us not really being able to spend holidays with our families, I thought this would be a fun way to kind of get that feeling back, get that, you know, it feels so good. And I think it'll just be a lot of fun. So definitely don't forget to share those. Don't be afraid. It'll be fine. I'll change names if you need, but definitely send those in. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.